Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to be here today. I hope you're doing well and safe and all that good stuff. I'm doing great. I'm feeling better. I've been doing stupid albuterol treatments for my stupid lungs. I really hate doing them, but they make me feel better. And that's what it's all about, taking care of yourself. And part of that for me is eating keto and getting into the keto box. I love this box. I subscribed to it for 6 months in a row. I've received it longer for several months. And it is full of keto, low carb, and low sugar snacks and treats. And it's chock full. It's always, and it's a super heavy box. It's always filled with great stuff. And I can't wait to see everything in here. And I do taste test it, unless it's something hot and gross. I mean, I have standards, so I won't just eat. I just won't put everything in my mouth. Ooh. I've got my bottle of water down by my side. We've got a card that says, don't forget to share your box for a chance to win. I never do share my box because I unbox it and eat it, and it's never good for that. So let's see if I can't make some room on here. This is something I'm excited about. I love Keto Cookies, and these are chocolate chip. Our carbs come from almonds. And usually there's another card in the box that tells that it gives you like discount codes and stuff, but I guess not today. And the carbs here, it says 12 carbs, 3 grams of fiber. I needed my glasses. 0 sugar, alcohol, protein 4. So it's 9 grams of carbs from what I'm reading. That's a lot of carbs for these cookies. And there's 2 servings in here. There's 4 cookies. So as long as you don't eat the whole bag at once, you're fine. Or you can, you just have to watch the carbs for the rest of the day. You can do what you want. You're a grown-ass person. And these are little cute tiny cookies. And these are from Proudly Pure. They're okay. I've had better. Not bad. I'm not going to eat the whole cookie because it's got a real strong erythritol taste. Did it have erythritol? Tastes like it's got erythritol. It does, but it doesn't tell you how much because then you subtract the erythritol. And then so I'm sure it's less than what I just said. Guilt-free, no sugar added. All right, that's one tasty treat down. Next we have Top Seeds crackers, 6 seed crackers, sunflower, sesame, flax, pumpkin, chia, and something else. Let me grab I should have worn my glasses, but I'm vain. Chia and hemp seeds. Okay, this looks like something good. Let me take it. I got cookie in my mouth still. And I just got water all over my chin. All right, and this is what they look like. And I like all these seeds, so got a good salty flavor to it in a good way. Oh, I like how nutty they are. I like that. Makes me feel healthy just touching it. Water on my chin, I hate it. Okay, some more water. Because it's very nutty. It's really good. That's a very satisfying bunch of seeds. And then this is 100% cheese from Intact, INTAKT, Nourishing Snacks. Crunchy cheese, spicy. I'm going to see how spicy it is. Because sometimes spicy isn't very spicy. But if my face turns red, you'll know what's up. They don't smell that spicy. And they're little puffs of cheese. Very cheesy. Got a little like hot pepper flavor, but it's not bad. It's not like crazy hot. I think I should have brought more water than that. But some of this stuff I'm not going to be tasting right away. Next up, pistachios. I love pistachios. I'm not going to be tasting these because I already know what those taste like. Ooh, I love Hilo snacks. Oh, this is a new one. Hilo snacks has little dried cheese curds and stuff. And nuts. And this is pizza. A piece of pizza. I've got some in my pantry right now that are ranch and Gouda and then cheddar and almond. And this is hard to read. Mozzarella and walnuts. Okay, I'm trying this because I enjoy these. These are great little snacks. They're really good if you're trying to not eat a dinner, trying to eat like just a little something to tide you over. And that's what they look like. Try walnut first. I like the walnut. Let me try the mozzarella. Let me get down. The mozzarella cheese is not as good dried as the Gouda or the cheddar. It's got a nice little pizza, oregano, tomato flavor, but I don't love it. I won't eat that again. Oh, I love these. These are roasted sunflower seeds from Iota, and they're an umami flavor, and I'm not sure what umami flavor is. I hear people say it all the time. Let me get a little water. There's still a lot more in here. This box, I forgot to say, is $39. Shipping is included. I like umami. That's good. I love sunflower seeds, and I love these brand. I've had this brand from this box before. And the Iota nuts or seeds are really good. Delicious. This is what made the box so heavy, is a super coffee, which I've always wanted to try. These are supposed to be really good. And this is in mocha. And if I like this, this needs to be chilled. It's got 10 grams of protein, 200 milligrams of caffeine. Yes, please. And 0 carbs. Very cool. Put that back in the box. Then there's a Hecka Keto Bar chocolate sea salt. And Rome always comes behind me and tests these also. And sometimes he finds stuff that he really likes. But he's a little pickier than I am about some stuff. And vice versa. Oh, this bar is shiny. And sticky. It's got nuts in it. I'm not even looking at the carbs at this point. I'm not doing a good job as a reporter. It's got a good chocolate flavor. Very chewy. Hi, Jessie. Jessie's in here. That's pretty good. I'd eat that again. And it's so chewy and nutty that I think it would be very good for between meals or a replacement for a meal. And this is a Fire Creek original meat stick. Rome eats the meat sticks. And this is also not up my alley. This is also pretty heavy. This is Sun Yum sunflower seed dip and spread. And Rome will love this, and it's in garlic. I don't do a lot of dips. And then last but not least, we have some pork rinds. Artisanal fried pork rinds. Smoky black pepper and sea salt. I will try these. It's good. Very rich tasting. So we've got 4 things in the box. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So 11 different snacks for $39.99, including shipping. I think that's a great deal. I love this box. Have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you soon. Bye.